Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Siri's name on iPhone. Now let's go ahead and open the settings here and we're going to look for the accessibility. Once we've opened the accessibility, we're going to go ahead and scroll down and look for the vocal shortcuts. We're going to go ahead and open this one and then we're going to go ahead and set up as vocal shortcuts. Click continue right here, and what you're going to do is just basically look for Siri. You should be able to see it. Go ahead and click that one. And then we're going to go ahead and enter a command name. So this is now where you're going to rename. So instead of saying, hey Siri, what you're going to do is enter something else. Say, for example, I'm going to name this one Dawn. So I'm going to go ahead and type there, hey Dawn, and then click this one. Now, this time what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and repeat it 3 times. So I'm going to say, hey Dawn. Hey Dawn. Hey Dawn. All right, and then you can see that now it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue right here and then click don't share. And basically from here, I can go ahead and try this one. Hey Dawn. And there you go. So you can see that now it has started working. And yeah, that's how you're going to change Siri's name on iPhone.